Jen, you can't ignore this in the hope that it's gonna go away. Give me that. Look, I know this has been a lot. Finding out about your dad and Anissa and discovering you have powers must be mind-blowing on so many levels. But you can't isolate yourself and not talk about it.
What do you want me to say?
That you're gonna commit to finding a way of dealing with this.
Dealing with what? The fact that I float in my sleep or that Dad died twice? Are you dealing with the fact that you shot someone with a shotgun? Or that Gamby killed a man? Or that I electrocuted somebody who might be dead now? Which part do you want me to deal with first, Mom?
What's your tone, young lady? Jen!
Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm sorry.
Jen! It's okay.
We'll figure it out, okay? I promise. It's okay. I'm okay.